Number 6. So now we want to use the midpoint rule to estimate the area of h of x equals log x on the interval 2, 7 using 5 rectangles. So number 6. Midpoint rule is the most annoying, but there's nothing that makes it particularly harder, just something that makes it a little more annoying. So delta x is equal to 7 minus 2 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. So all my rectangles have length 1. Now, x0 is equal to 2. Oops. x1 is 3. x2 is 4. x3 is 5. x4 is 6. x5 is 7. And the thing that's annoying for midpoint rule is the fact that we don't use these points, we have to go in between. So if you remember, xk bar is 1/2 xk plus xk minus 1. So you're just taking the average of your two numbers. So for example, x0 bar is equal to 1/2 2 plus 3, because that's x0 plus x1, which is equal to 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 2.5. So we're just picking the point that's exactly in the middle of our two endpoints. That's all that this formula is trying to accomplish. x1 bar is 1/2 3 plus 4 equals 3.5. x2 bar, so it's not a big deal, but these are mislabeled. x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar is 1/2 4 plus 5 equals 4.5. x4 bar is 1/2 5 plus 6 is 5.5. And lastly, x5 is 1/2 6 plus 7 equals 6.5. So these are the points that we want to use. And if we draw the picture, what's going on is we have our log function, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to exaggerate how much farther the curve is from the graph. But log looks something like this. Maybe been a while since you've seen the old log function. But there it is in all its glory. So delta x says separate everything like this. Draw 5 rectangles. Which rectangles do we draw? We pick the midpoint. So let me draw those. Oh, oops. I would need 6 of these to get 5 rectangles. And I'm trying to find the area of all these. Okay. So A is equal to delta x, f of x1 bar, plus f of x2 bar, plus f of x3 bar, plus f of x4 bar, plus f of x5 bar. And then what do we have from that? Let's calculate those, have them tabbed out. So I'm going to put log into the calculator now. Definitely need a calculator for that. So f of x1 bar is equal to f of 2.5 is log of 2.5. And this is going to be just a little bit less than 1. 0.92. F of x2 bar is log of 3.5, which is going to be roughly 1.25. F of x3 bar is equal to log 4.5. Plug that in, get 1.50. F of x4 bar is log of 5.5 is roughly equal to 1.70. And then f of x5 bar is equal to log 6.5, which is roughly equal to 1.87. Finally, a is equal to 1 because that's delta x, 0.92 plus 1.25 plus 1.50 plus 1.70 plus 1.87. And if we add that together, we get that this is roughly equal to 7.24. All right. And that is number 6.